Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Topo Sketch online. First, you'll want to find a reliable online source for topographic maps. Many government agencies, like the United States Geological Survey, offer free access to their extensive map databases. These sites provide highly accurate and detailed information, essential for any outdoor activity or land planning. Make sure the platform you choose covers your desired location. Once you've selected a platform, the next step is to locate your specific area. Most sites feature a prominent search bar where you can input an address, city, or even geographic coordinates. After your initial search, you might need to refine the results by choosing a specific map series or adjusting the scale to get the best view. Always double-check that the map displayed corresponds precisely to your desired location. With your location found, you can now customize and view the topographic details. Many online tools allow you to toggle various layers, such as contour lines, water features, and vegetation. You can also adjust the map's scale, zooming in for intricate details or out for a broader overview. Some platforms even offer measurement tools, helping you determine distances or elevation changes with precision. Finally, you're ready to download or print your topographic sketch. Look for a clear download or print icon, often located in the top right or left corner of the map interface. You'll typically have options to save the map as a PDF or various image file types. If printing, remember to adjust settings like paper size and orientation to ensure your physical copy is clear and accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.